deadlines, dito nagsukol ang pinaka-unexpected na friendship. Uy, ano mo? What's your name for me?
Why?
Friendship.
We're not even friends. Fastest promotion ever. She stole my prize and didn't make her condition. It's not sharing, that's a robbery.
Alimar. Alimar.
What started as jokes turned into daily chat. From past year paper to nakakaala ka, from seatmate energy to good morning messages. Wala nila nabantayan na nanadadaig sila sa presence of satisfaction. And when comfort grows, feelings sometimes follow without permission sleep.
Hi, Fatima.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, wait, hi, attention, bye-bye, Steve.
Serious, boy?
My place.
Serious? I give you my last chicken nuggets.
And just like that, the first tip accepted. Status upgraded, na-affiliate, na-late night talks, na-library snacks, ug na-classmate niya official holidays. Everything felt light, playful, and little too perfect. Murag rom-com, minus lang ang background music.
First, sorry lang lang, I'm private.
Private.
I'm private.
Private or tabi?
Pero di very funny ang love story. Sometimes, the silence gets longer. Replies get shorter. Reasons get quicker. Ang jokes, dili na kayo katawan ng mga gabi na lang experience ang punchline. Small changes kung mabating yung dinod imong atensyon.
Sorry lang, isip ko. Online lagi, pero offline emotionally.
No.
Look at the strange habits. Ugawas ginag sa walagin vibe. Not through confession, but through witnesses. One random sighting, one awkward moment, one day talk na dili ma-explain sa busy lang ko.
Hello. Hello.
And
going to the review.
Hello, stop! After graduation?
No, I thought kaya na ko i-duman na ko sa
Hindi ako sa situation.
No, that you're in the situation. I don't want to lose you.
You should have been ready from the start. Not every story ends with motivation. Some end with open eyes, with hard lessons, with quiet strength. Sa high, losing the wrong person is how you find the right person. And clarity, though painful, is still a win.
May tig-back up dito.
Kami lang. I'm sorry. It's not a joke.
Nag-uwan. Dami.
Some stories don't end with forever. They end with understanding. Not every person who makes you laugh is meant to stay. And not every sweet beginning leaves the same. Sometimes people show their best jokes first and hide their real grief later. That's why feelings should walk slowly when passion should grow. Love is not just about feeling and effort. It's about honesty when things get uncovered. In the end, knowing someone deeply is more important than liking them deeply. And if a story breaks your heart but opens your eyes, it's still worth the lesson. So that's all for our